Heads is the call and tails it is.
Losing the toss could prove costly. This could make for a really interesting match. Here come the openers, greeted with a loud cheer from.
That's hit straight to the fielder.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Edge and it's gone for 4. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way. Bang! Into the gap for 4. And he helps himself to a 6.
Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for 4. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stand. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. No ball called.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting.
Got the elevation right. Good catch in the end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That 6. He picked up the length very early.
What a catch by the fielder. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful pick. Got the elevation right. Too well. That is a good catch in the end.
The bowler is bowling from his straight up in the air, and that's the six.
On the last one.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way.
Should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
And he helps himself to a six.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. This stage of the match. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stand.
That has made some serious damage.
No ball called by the umpire. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. Loud appeal there by the field. Big appeal, and up goes. Got the elevation right. Time it too well.
Oh, gotta be close, gotta be close.
Got the elevation right. Good catch in the end.